Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ETRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of price action, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So let's get some levels of support mapped out. Actually, I take that back. Let's first start with levels of resistance, because the first area of resistance, what I want to do is get this trend line drawn in here. So there we go. So going back until, let's see, February 2nd is where this high comes from. And then you can see during the first 30 minutes of today, that second high cave, gives us this trend line here. So as far as resistance is, really all about that trend line right there. The thing with trend lines is they are changing with time. So right around 850, give or take, but depending on how long, it takes for the price to get back up there, that price could change. But as it stands right now, right around 850 is the current value of that trend line, going forward. So that'll definitely be that key breakout point to keep an eye on. Now, if the price cannot break through it and it starts to pull back, I do want to map out a couple areas of support. Ideally speaking, you want to see the price hold up above $7.60. I'm not saying that if the price drops below $7.60 that everything's totally ruined, but today was a good solid day, right? I mean, it gapped up, and then after it pulled back, it made a nice move back upwards. So the last thing you want to see the price do is go back to where it was. And, back to where it was, if it, breaks below here and heads down here, well then, yeah, it's right back to where it was in this range right here. And you just don't want to see it. Whereas if the price at least pulls back here and then bounces around and heads back up, at that point in time, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. And if you picture those as stair steps, the stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. So again, 760, it's not like the absolute must hold, make it or break it level, but certainly would make the chart look the best going forward as the bulls are prepping to try to break through, the orange line right here, which is the current level of resistance. So all in all, interesting day, good volume return to it. So we'll see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.